IBKR stock analysis and IBKR stock predictions. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. You know, I'm the only guy in this space that's done 46,000 videos and has proof of everything. So I've seen what's working for me and what's not with IBKR. Well, I'll be very honest with you. This is a solid bullish market, but me randomly buying it's just not going to be happening. So how is this going to look like? Well, what I'll do is just get this 30-minute chart. Here's my demand zone, and how this is going to look like is actually very simple. Exactly the same way that I have the drawing set up here. That's the same way that I'm expecting the price to kind of move. And that's kind of an expectation. This is best case scenario, right? This is when rules are met, it's all clear, and I move on forward with the buy. But if it doesn't give me the confirmation, if it does not retrace and give me the shift, then obviously I'm not buying, man. Like, people are really overcomplicating it. Like, I have like 6 receipts in the Discord with IBKR, so there is not lack of coverage. But I mean, ultimately, it would all come down to just being patient and waiting for rules. Welcome to trading. So if you want to get daily stock picks, tips, and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.